Alright y'all, here we are, back in action. It's Mahindra Don and my associate here, Corey Bean, the dancing machine. We wanted to show you this Mahindra Max 28 while it's doing some live action. Right here, digging with this backhoe. And he's going to show you how to get it cranked and how to spin her on around. Take it away, Corey.
Alright, it's a 28 Max shuttle shift. As all shuttle shifts, they need to be in neutral in order to start it. Alright, 28 Max, not only is it very powerful, four-wheel drive, you've got a very strong loader, even the rear three-point lift it's ungodly. This is a workhorse, but in a small package. And this backhoe, more than enough power for this tractor. You can do all your small jobs and even get in some bigger jobs because of the power it has. Very easy to use, very efficient, and it's Mahindra. 5-year warranty, best tractor you can get. So if all your tractor needs, come see me and Don at Safeway Mahindra in Burgon, North Carolina.